What's up, YouTube subscribers? Hey, I want to take an opportunity to let you check out the factory mast LT1 CNC ported heads before I actually put them together here. I wanted to let you check out the porting job that they do. So all the exhaust and intake are cleaned up. They have a really nice bowl CNC job here. That's on the intake and exhaust. It's got a little blending into the chambers. The chambers have been smoothed out, and for what you get with these heads, it's a pretty good job. So I did get the upgraded intake valve. So this has the larger stainless intake valve with the stock style exhaust valve, and they do have some advantages to that. It's a little bit larger valve. What they do with the valves is they actually have a back cut. So there's actually two angles on the valve. They do back cut into the actual, it's kind of hard, there you go. They do a back cut onto the valve surface. These are a nice little upgrade for these particular heads. They vat and clean these. They come shipped without, the ones I got were without springs. Now what I'm using for this particular setup is the Texas Speed dual 660 spring with the integrated seats and seals. This is a nice little kit that comes with a titanium retainer, and again the integrated seats for the LT1s, which has been kind of problematic. So let this head over. You can kind of see the actual chamber blending, and then just cleaning up the chamber basically, and then the bowl blending into the intake and exhaust ports. And this is the little bit of work that they do to clean up the actual intake runner itself. So they don't really enlarge it too much, but what they do is they go in and they do some cleaning. They kind of take out some of the edges and so forth. So pretty much to help improve the flow on these LT1 heads. All right, they do a mill. They mill the surface of the head, and so this is all nice and flat. And they do an excellent blending of the valve seat back into the actual bowl area. So I think that's actually a 4 or 5 angle, maybe a 4 angle precision cut valve seat that's blended back into the and radiused back into the actual bowl. Okay, stay tuned. Once I get these together, I'll show you guys a little more of the LT1 build for Camaro. Stay tuned.